All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to look at part 1 and 2 of the LeChatelier's principle. The first thing we had to do was make alcoholic cobalt solution. So that's what I have here. And I'm going to pour it into the 3 test tubes. Our first test tube is the control. So you're going to want to record the color of your first test tube. That's our control. It's kind of that purplish color. So we're not doing any stresses to that. We're just going to compare our other 2 solutions to that. To our second test tube, we're going to add concentrated hydrochloric acid to it. This is 12 molar. This is very strong stuff. Not something that you want to breathe in. And I'm going to put 5 drops in there. Maybe a couple more. And we'll shake that up. And you can see that the solution is turned a darker purple. If I add a little bit more to it, we should get it to push more towards the blue. It's not really getting there, but close. And to our third test tube, we are going to add 0.1 molar silver nitrate. When I add that, the solution became a much lighter pink color, and there's also a white precipitate on the bottom. What's happening there is the silver in the silver nitrate solution is reacting with the chloride, removing the chloride from the solution, and the silver chloride forms that white precipitate. It's insoluble in solution. So that is part 1. And there are our final colors. We have our control with the hydrochloric acid and then adding the silver nitrate. For part 2, we're going to work with the same reaction, but now we're going to see temperature effects. So if you look at our 3 sealed barrel pipettes, what colors they are to begin with. Okay, so our control is going to be the one labeled there with control. And then the other 2 barrel pipettes are the same colors. I'm going to put one in a hot water bath. And I'm going to put the other in an ice bath. So right away with that increase in temperature, you can see that it turned a bright blue. So with an increase in temperature, you have that blue color. And it's very blue compared to that control. The ice bath turned a bright pink color. And again, you can see that definite color change, the difference there with the pink for the ice bath, and then the control being more of a purple color.